Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a focused environment. Install Python 3. 8 or newer and GPU drivers if available, then pip install required packages. Once done, clone a YOLO implementation and download its pre-trained weights to give you a fast baseline. Next, prepare a small face dataset or enable your webcam stream and convert or verify labels in YOLO format. This gets you to the first runnable state quickly, so you can test inference and iterate. Now you configure the model for face detection. Edit the data file to a single class named face and point to train and validation folders. Then tweak the model config, set input size to 640 or 1280 depending on faces, tune anchors if needed, and choose batch size and epoch count. Next, start transfer learning from the pre-trained weights. Monitor loss curves, precision, recall, and MAP. Make sure to use augmentation and early stopping so the model generalizes without overfitting. Finally, run inference on images or webcam. Set a confidence threshold and NMS EOU to balance misses versus duplicates, then visualize bounding boxes to validate results. Once satisfied, export the model to ONGS or TensorRT for low latency deployment or keep best. PT for Python inference. If things go wrong, here's one key tip. When you see many false positives, raise the confidence threshold and refine NMS. When you see misses, add varied face samples and continue fine-tuning until performance stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.